Hello students, welcome to part 2 of chapter 7 factors and multiples. In part 1 of this chapter we have learnt about factors, their properties, prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. Now in this part of the chapter we are going to learn about common factors, multiples and their properties. So let's start with the first topic, that is common factors. Common factors are the factors that two or more numbers share. The word common means same. The word common means same. So common factors means the factors that two or more numbers are sharing, right? Now just look at this example. Here we are having factors of 12 and factors of 16, factors of 12 and factors of 16. So you can see here factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now here we are having 1, 2 and 4 as the common factors of these two numbers, because both the numbers 12 and 16, they are having 1, 2 and 4 in their factors, right? So these are the common factors of 12 and 16. So it means we are having three common factors of 12 and 16, and among these three factors you can see 4 is the biggest one. 4 is the biggest one, so we can say 4 is the greatest common factor of 12 and 16. Now let's take one more example. Here we are having three numbers 18, 6 and 30, and factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, and the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now here we can see all the three numbers, they are having 1, 2, 3 and 6 as their common factors. All these three numbers, they are having these four factors in common. So 1, 2, 3 and 6, they are the common factors of 18, 6 and 30, and among these common factors 6 is the biggest one. So 6 is the greatest common factor of 18, 6 and 30, right? So our next topic is multiples. You all know about multiples already, right? Because you all know the tables. So multiples means tables. Multiples of a number are the numbers which come in the table of that particular number. For example, if we'll talk about the number 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, all these numbers, they come in the table of 3. So all these numbers, they are the multiples of 3. They are the multiples of 3, or we can say the product of a number when it is multiplied by other number is called a multiple of that number. So in simple language, you people can just remember multiples means tables. Multiples means tables, right? Okay, now just look at the screen. Here we are having multiples of 8 written. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on, right? And you people can see here the first multiple of a number is the number itself. The first multiple of the number is number itself. So first multiple of 3 is 3, first multiple of 4 is 4, first multiple of 8 is 8, and all other multiples, they are bigger than that number. So here we can see the first multiple of 4 is 4, the second multiple of 4 is 8, third multiple of 4 is 12. So whatever multiple you have to tell, you can find out with the help of the tables only. Now let's discuss the properties of multiple. The first property is every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. It means all the numbers, they come in the table of 1. All the numbers, they come in the table of 1. So that's why every number is a multiple of 1. Next property is every number is a multiple of itself and is the smallest multiple of that number. This thing I have already told you, beta. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number will come in its table and every number is the smallest multiple of that number, right? For example, 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, 11 ones are 11. So we can say every number comes in its table and that particular number is the smallest multiple of that number. Then every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to that number, right? And the last one is we can find as many multiples of a number as we want. We can find whatever number of multiples we want to find, we can find. How? Just by multiplying the two numbers, right? That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.